Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on captions on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on captions on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon, and from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on it, and after that scroll down until you can find the accessibility under the category your app and media. Type on accessibility, and over here at the top of the screen you can see the captions. Tap on that, and over here guys, in order to turn on your captions, simply tap on the captions and the selected language over here, which is English and auto generated one, and this way the captions on Instagram will be turned on. And there guys, this is how to turn on captions on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.